Hello, this is Mark Smith with National Credit Associates. Thanks for taking your time to click on our brief infomercial. We are the #1 credit repair franchise in America. We will remove all negative and derogatory credit, or we will pay back $10,000. It's 100% legal and 100% permanent. Visit us at nationalcredit10000.com or call us at 815-528-5441. Franchise fee is waived as of now. We have a limited number of franchises available. We are also seeking outside business agents and full-time and part-time sales reps. Again, visit us at diversifiedconcepts.net, nationalcredit10000.com, or give us a call at 815-528-5441. We are the home of the $10,000 guarantee. Again, we legally remove all negative and derogatory credit permanently, period, or we will pay back $10,000 to the end user. Visit us, nationalcredit10000.com, or give us a call, 815-528-5441. Thanks and have a great day.